and welcome to my channel. Obviously for Christmas I want to look a bit more fabulous than this. So let's get started. I want this look to last the entire day, so I'm as usual starting off with an eye primer. Just applying it over my entire eyelid before moving on to eyeshadow. The shadows I'm using are from Jellyfish Cosmetics, but you can use whatever you want. We're basically just going to do a smoky eye in red. Now if cool tones look way better on you, just use green. That's also Christmassy, but you know, won't clash with your colors. On me, cool tones tend to look good, so cool tones don't tend to look good. Warm tones tend to look good, duh. I obviously don't plan my voiceovers. Yeah. Anyway, I like warm colors work on me, so I'm using red. And like I said, it's basically just a smoky eye. Just apply a paler shade of red, spread it out, then within the paler shade of red, apply a darker shade of red and blend that out. And just keep applying and blending and applying and blending, and don't go overboard with the color, because otherwise you won't be able to blend anymore. Just take your time with this, and also take your time with blending the highlight. The brow bone highlight is just plain white, matte white, just because, you know, why not? I wanted to go for something extreme, but again, blend it properly. You could see the differences now. Then once you're done with all the blending, it's time to apply some glitter, because, well, I mean, any excuse to use glitter, in my opinion, is a good excuse, because I love glitter, but especially Christmas is just the best excuse to use glitter. I'm also applying the shadow above my inner corner over there, so it is extra visible also when I have my eyes open. I just feel like it looks nicer on me than if I just keep it on the moving eyelid only. Don't forget to blend out the edges. I didn't use extra product for that, just the brush itself. And then some extra glitter. This is glitter from a glitter palette from Röde Cosmetics. You can also use loose glitter and a glitter glue, but for some reason I keep murdering bottles of glitter glue, so I just use this because it's easier. Then it's time for some eyeliner. Lately I've really been loving eyeliner pens, just because this way my eyelashes don't get all clumpy from the eyeliner, which is hardly something that I need to explain is, you know, nice. Because one, my eyelashes don't start looking weird, and second, if I open my eyes I don't get weird spots of eyeliner all over my eyelids from my lashes, so yeah. Downside is that these do dry out pretty quickly, so you don't want to know how often I had to shake this pen to still keep it functional. But anyway. And then for the face, I just did concealer under my eyes, from the bridge of my nose, everywhere where I just tapped my face basically. And that's it. I kept it simple because, quite frankly, my skin is quite dry right now, and I didn't feel like putting on full face or foundation would actually work out in my favor. For the eyes, I'm just keeping it simple. On the bottom side, I'm just using some red. I also applied a nude pencil on my waterline, but I completely forgot to film it for some reason. And the matte white highlights on the inner corner. Then I also applied a little bit of the eyeliner between my eyelashes on the bottom side, only on the outer corner to intensify them a little bit. Be very careful with this. And then it's time for lashes. I'm using huge, big, gigantic lashes because it's Christmas, so why not? I've had these for 5 years actually. They're really pretty. They're foam ink lashes by XO Beauty, really good quality as well. Obviously I've been using them for 5 years, not very often, but still. In the style Panther. They're huge and they're so pretty. Then I'm using mascara. And I'm starting off on the bottom lashes this time, because I really want them to be dark and intense to obviously match the top side a little bit. And meanwhile the glue there has a chance to dry, so I can then blend my own lashes with the falsies without pulling them off with the mascara wand, because that would not be very handy, obviously. Then the final step in this entire thing is to apply some lipstick. I'm going for classic red. This lipstick I actually got from an advent calendar from Yves Rocher. And that's the final step. Here we have the final result. I really hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button. It would really help me out, because it makes more people, or at least it makes YouTube suggest my video more to people. Yeah. Anyway, more people have a chance to see the video, basically. If you want to see more, you can always subscribe to my channel. I do makeup tutorials, vlogs, gaming videos and whatever else. And for now, I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you celebrate, I hope you'll have a very Merry Christmas. Bye!